Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have a new domain and Hostinger access. Start by confirming ownership in hPanel. Back up WordPress files and export the database because changing domains can break links and permalinks. Once done, locate current DNS records, TTL and name servers so you can replicate settings. Now open WordPress general settings and hPanel domains side by side. You will need both values. This avoids downtime and preserves SEO. Make sure you have FTP credentials and a text editor ready. You'll change the site address and WordPress address to the new domain. Do this in Settings right arrow General, then Save. If you cannot access WP, update WP config. PHP with define WP home, https://new domain, define WP site URL, https://new domain. Next, run a controlled search and replace on the database to update internal URLs using a serialized safe tool or WP CLI. Then update Hostinger DNS. Set a record to your server IP, adjust CNAME and lower TTL temporarily to speed propagation. Once DNS propagates, install or reissue SSL from Hostinger and force HTTPS to avoid mixed content problems. Clear any caching, plugin, CDN, server, and resave permalinks in WordPress to rebuild rewrite rules. Test a variety of pages, login, and media links. If something breaks, check WP config. PHP for hard-coded URLs, inspect. htaccess rules, and review DNS propagation status and server error logs. As a key troubleshooting tip, revert to your backup and restore while you isolate the issue to avoid prolonged downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.